Hello friends, welcome to Tech Nuggets. Today we will discuss about decorators in Python. So let's get started. For discussing about decorators, let's see some concepts related to function. In Python, function is treated like any other objects. This means you can assign a function to a variable and then call the function using that variable. For example, here we are passing greet function to a variable, say hello, and it prints the output as hello ls. Second, you can also pass a function as an argument to another function. For example, here function shout and whisper is passed as an argument to process text function, and greet is passed as an argument to func function. You can return function from another function. For example, here we are returning the message function from the greet function. After discussing these concepts, let's see decorators. Decorators in Python are a powerful and elegant way to modify the behavior of functions or methods without changing their actual code. A decorator is a function that takes another function as an argument, adds some functionality to it, and returns a new function. Let's see an example of decorator. My decorator func. This is the decorator function. It takes func, the function to be decorated, as an argument. Wrapper. Inside my decorator, there is a wrapper function that will modify the behavior of func. It prints a message before and after calling func. @myDecorator. The symbol is used to apply the decorator to the say hello function. When you run say hello, the output will be something is happening before the function is called, then hello, and something is happening after the function is called. Let's see a practical example of decorators. In this example, we are printing the name of the function which is executing through decorators. First it is executing add and then multiply. Hope you understood decorators in Python. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to Tech Nuggets for more insightful content. See you in the next video.